You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this television channel and company, of course, or you could call it a network. So what does it stand for? What is the full form of CNN? CNN is how you pronounce the name normally, and it stands for cable. News, the Americans say news, the British would say news, but this is an American channel, so you could say cable news network. Cable news network, or for short, CNN. Full form, how to pronounce, English pronunciation, CNN. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.